Hello, children. Hello, how are you today? Today we are going to do natural science, pages 84 and 85. We are going to talk about the characteristics and the parts of plants. Before we start, we are going to sing a very short song that is going to tell you the parts of a plant: flower, stem, leaves, and roots. And today we are going to learn a few more. But I leave you with the song a little bit. Okay, I hope you like it. Page 84 in your class book, you have two questions. What colors are the leaves on the trees outside? These are the leaves, okay? All these are the leaves. What color are the leaves on the trees outside? They are green. Very good. They are green. Why are they green? Because we are in spring. Are they always the same color? No. In spring, they are green. In summer, they are green, and at the end of summer, they turn yellow. In autumn, they are yellow and red and brown and orange. And in winter there are no leaves. Trees have no leaves. Only some trees that are called evergreens. Those trees have leaves, but the other trees, they don't have leaves. Okay? Look at the picture, and we are going to read the text. Today is a little bit long. These are the characteristics of plants. Okay, we are going to read and we are going to repeat afterwards. But first we just listen.
Plants are living organisms. They need sunlight, water, and air. They have roots, a stem, and leaves. Some plants have flowers and fruits too. Plants make their own food. Their roots absorb nutrients and water. Their leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make nutrients.
Okay, let's listen and repeat. We are going to go slowly, okay? And I'm going to explain.
Plants are living organisms.
Plants are living organisms. They are alive. They are not dead like a stone. They are alive. And they need three very important things.
They need sunlight, water, and air.
They need sunlight, water, and air. Sunlight, water, and air. And now we go to the parts of the plant, okay?
They have roots.
They have roots. The roots hold the plant on the ground. They have roots.
A stem.
A stem. A stem.
and leaves.
And leaves. And leaves. These are the leaves. Okay?
Some plants have flowers and fruits too.
Okay, some
Plants make their own food.
Some plants have flowers, like this plant, and fruits. But other plants, they don't have flowers or fruits, okay?
Food. The
Plants make their own food. Plants make their own food. How do they make their own foods? With the leaves. With the leaves, okay? They absorb the sun and the water and transform it into food. This process is called photosynthesis, but we are not studying it. That's a difficult process. Let's see how they make food.
Their roots absorb nutrients and water.
The roots absorb nutrients and water. Come on, you say it. The roots absorb nutrients and water.
Their leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make nutrients.
The leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make nutrients. So we could say that the leaves are the kitchens of the plant. Okay? In the leaves, the plant is going to cook the food. Okay, here we have two plants. The first thing we have to do is to name the plants. It's number 1 and number 2. And here you have, if you go to the following page, you have write the names of the plants in activity 2. Almond tree or grapevine. So let's see, we have almond tree or grapevine. What do you think this is? Do you think this is an almond tree, un almendro, or a grapevine, o una vid? Well, this is a grapevine. Es una vid. Y las vides dan uvas, y de las uvas se saca el vino. So they give grapes, and grapes give wines. And this is an almond tree. What do we have to do? We have to take the colors from here and color the roots brown. The roots brown. Here and here. Okay? And the flowers green here. Green. And the flowers pink here. Okay? And the flowers pink here. So we color the roots brown, the flowers green, and the flowers pink. Okay? I'm going to show you an example that I have for you. Here I have my grapevine with green flowers and brown roots. And here I have my almond tree with pink flowers and brown roots. Okay? This is what you have to do. If you haven't finished, you pause the video, you color, and then we go to page 85. 85. Come on, finish your drawing. Finish your coloring. Listen and think if almond tree is 1 or 2. Listen.
Listen. Write the names of the plants in activity 2.
Listen.
An almond tree has green leaves.
Green.
The flowers are white or pink.
Okay, so
The fruit is hard. A grapevine has wide leaves. The flowers are small and yellow. The fruit is purple or
Purple.
yellow.
Okay, so now we know which one is the almond tree and which one is the grapevine. Number 1 is the grapevine, and number 2 is the almond tree. Come on, we write here grapevine and here almond tree. And this is how we write almond tree. A L M O N D, and then T R double E. And this is how we write grapevine. G R A P E V I N E. And now I'm going to cut with the scissors and put in the correct place. Number 1 is grapevine and number 2 is almond tree. Number 1 grapevine and number 2 is almond tree, as you have in the picture. In the picture, number 1 is grapevine and number 2 is almond tree. Let's go to the last activity. Complete the sentences with the following words. Flowers. Listen and repeat. Flowers. Leaves. Roots. And stem. We have the activity. It says, a rose bush absorbs water through the flowers, the leaves, the roots, or the stem. The roots. Well done. They absorb water through the roots. R-O-O-T-S. Okay. It's absorb sunlight and air. What absorbs sunlight and air? The leaves. Very good. Well done. The leaves. Its leaves absorb sunlight and air. L-E-A-V-E-S. Number 3. The is above the ground. Above significa encima, encima de la tierra. What's above the ground? The roots or the stem? Very good. The stem. The stem. S-T-E-M. And the last one, what can be lots of colors? What can be lots of colors? The flowers. Well done, the flowers. The flowers can be lots of colors. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Very good. Okay, what do we have to do in activity 5? In activity 5, we have to draw and color a plant. And I'm going to show you an example, okay? You are going to see an example. And this is the example of my plant. You can see that it has roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. You can copy it if you want. And I'll see you next day. Bye-bye. See you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye. Love you.